Hello, class. This is Mr. Holley, and today we will be having a brief introduction to some of my expectations for my students. As simply as I can put it, everything I will ask of you boils down to these 2 points. One, treat everyone with respect, especially when discussing others' work. Two, put in the effort in anything you do. That is it. That is all I essentially ask of you. The best benefit of this introduction is to help my students be prepared for what is asked of them and to help them get acclimated to the flow of the course itself in order to maximize the learning outcomes. My hope is that with the understanding of my expectations, the rules and procedures of the class, all students will be able to respectfully communicate their thoughts and ideas, as well as be vulnerable with each other in this safe space. As educational journalist Tasha Keys has pointed out, researchers have shown that teachers and students have positive interactions with one another. It affects students' emotional, behavioral, and cognitive engagement. Having students feel as if they can open up and be safe is essential to engagement, and it's a necessity for the class community, so effort is essential, which is hopefully something I can help build with all of my students. In the article 10 Costly Mistakes of Disciplining Disruptive Students, it is said that reasonableness and discretion are the key ingredients in protecting school officials from legal challenges. School officials must act responsibly in disciplinary matters and resist the temptation to act too aggressively when the situation does not warrant such response. School officials should take every precaution to ensure schools are safe for teachers to teach and students to learn. They must also ensure that the constitutional rights of students are recognized and respected. With this in mind, the disciplinary structure will be outlined for all students, so no disciplinary consequences are a surprise to any party. As far as a reward system goes, there will be an individual reward in which students will have the option between receiving a drink such as Propel or Gatorade, or they can choose to bump up a grade of an assignment of their choosing. As a group reward, once a quarter, if there are no major incidents in the class, they may collectively choose as a non-educational related film to watch for a day. So we'll have a film day. It has to be school appropriate, of course. Meredith Warren of the University of Sheffield shared her experience that instead of feeding the class information through lectures, I used a variety of interactive exercises to draw students into an ancient world through the text they studied, using digital technologies alongside performance and games to encourage students to enter into dialogue with one another. I am attempting to do the same, and I am a huge proponent of Nearpod, YouTube, and other forms of applications that allow students for interactions rather than simply reading text or a PowerPoint. Therefore, I will include more videos and student-led opportunities during the times in which lecture materials are being presented. Thank you.